I got these frame sliders from T-Rex Racing for my KLX300, and I'm gonna do some unboxing on this. Let's see how they feel. So it comes in a nice little packing. It's actually very good packed. So I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna cut it and see. The only thing that I don't, I guess, is counterintuitive, is that it's heavy. I mean, do I want this heavy thing on the frame of my very light bike? I don't know, but it looks very solid. I can guarantee just holding it, it's gonna do the job no matter what. Looks like a pretty simple install. If you look at it, I'm guessing these two bolts are gonna go on the frame, and these two bolts are gonna go bottom of the frame. 3 big bolts, and I think that should do it. I don't know how many bolts do I see here. I think one, 2, 3 bolts. And my guess is these are the bolts. So they go on both sides. There's one long that's gonna go on the bottom, and these two are gonna go through this, and this. And that's it. Should be an easy install. And I can guarantee you they go on these frame bolts right here. Right there. I think that's where they're gonna go. I don't know where the bottom one's gonna go. Right here. That's where the bottom one's gonna go. And that's it. That should be it. So I'm going to install these crash guards. The first step they're telling me is to open these 2 bolts and insert the other ones. And if you're installing a skid plate, don't do it. Do these first and then do the skid plate. So I'm going to do these first. The first part of the instruction is to remove these 2 bolts. I hope the engine doesn't slide down. Maybe I'll put some, I don't think it will. It's held up from other places, so it didn't say anything else. So I'm going to do that. So after removing these 2, I gotta remove these. This. I don't want to move anything else. I just want to remove this one and then put it in, and then hopefully it works. So these spaces go in between, and then that creates a good packaging basically. Just making sure it's recording. Oh, come on. That's it. And this way, there's one more spacer that goes on the other side. Oh, so I should have not done that, and then I'm going to screw the nuts. So there's one more spacer that goes on the other side, and that's it. I'm going to put that together, and then I'm going to screw it up, and that's it. That should be it. Okay, you can't see it. Maybe you can. See this bolt that is coming out? There is a spacer right behind it. You see that? You see that black color spacer right there? That's the spacer that was difficult to put in. So the trick is to take this nut out completely, on at least take it out from at least this side of the frame, and then insert this old nut from this side so that the spacer stays in, and then push the bolt from the other side and it will come out of this side. I can explain it later when I do it, but you gotta take this bolt out completely from this side. Don't lose it from the other side. Put the old bolt from this side and hold the spacer in place. Don't put it all the way. And then push that bolt through this. And that's how the bolt will come out. That's what I did. That's one way of doing it. Hold the thing on this side. Go on that side. I do make these videos so anybody can do it. You just need right tools. Couple of these, couple of extender rods, this, that, and other stuff. I just use this right now. Before that, I was using that. So this and this, whatever works, make it work. It's easy. Understanding is easy. Just getting it done is, well, you gotta get it done. So this is how installed. 2 nuts here, one nut there. You saw the whole thing. It looks actually pretty good. Looks part of KLX. Very nice stuff. 35 foot-pound of torque. And I have this digital meter. It took me a while to figure out. It was the first time I'm using it. But when I figured it out, digitally set it up for 35 pounds. I did it for 34.38 and exceeded the limit to make it red line. So it gives a green light when you reach the torque and red light when you exceed it. So I exceeded a little bit, put it on red line, and that's it. I think I'm done. I have a couple of more things to install on this, but for today, that is it, man. I have this too, but I'm gonna do it. I don't know if I want to do it now or later. I want to get the oil change first and then put the skid plate. I don't know. I'm thinking out loud. But this is how it's done. Looks pretty good. It doesn't protrude out too much. Actually looks awesome. Nice.